Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I just wanted to give you a brief video of this new Renogy DC to DC battery charger that I wired into Chewy. I was having some troubles with maintaining and keeping voltage in the battery from the solar out on trips, so I wanted something more consistent. So here I am. I'm just going to fire this up for the first time and do some testing. So this charger is wired directly to my alternator, and I actually have it switched on my Rough Country MLC6 switch panel here, so I can turn it on and turn it off. So today is the first time fire up of this DC to DC charger, and I've just got my voltmeter out here. I'm just going to check things, make sure that everybody is happy and it's working as it ought to. Input from the alternator gets me 13.1 volts. Charging from the back of the alternator directly, it's 14.3, so I've lost a volt here someplace, but output to the Overland trailer battery is 13.1, I think that was. The light was a little bit awkward, but anyways, directly from the Overland trailer battery here, my voltage is 13.15, so pretty consistent right out of the back of the charger. And then I'm going to switch to DC amps because I want to make sure that we are charging amps wise as it ought to. So I'm just going to probe the power output power lead here, and 19.7. It's a 20 amp charger, so that's pretty close. And then right at the Overland trailer battery through the DC clamp, it's 13.6 or 13.7, so pretty consistent. I've had the Jeep running now for about 10 minutes, so I'm just checking all my connections and wires to see if anything is really hot, see if anything is obviously smoking or catching fire. Nothing there. I used Anderson SB50 plugs there, and then I managed to find those insulated boots on Powerwerks, so those are basically waterproof now. Wires here all look good. They're not hot or anything else. And I have 30 amp fuses that are protecting the circuits both in the Jeep and in the Overland trailer here. And everything was really clean. Everything went together really well. I'm really happy about this, and it seems like everything's working. This isn't a how-to video, but I did follow all of Renogy's instructions on using the appropriate wire size, which in this case is 10 gauge and 30 amp fuses to protect these circuits both in the trailer and in the Jeep. Charging at 13.2 volts there. Really happy with how all this turned out. I might do a little bit more testing this week because in April we're getting ready to do a big trip in northern Arizona.